Okay. Here you go. The first triumvirate. All right. So you had Pompey, you had Caesar, and you had Crassus. All right, which was Marcus Crassus, Julius Caesar, and Gaius Pompeius. All right. Crassus at that time was one of the richest men in the Roman Empire. All right. You had Caesar, the people person, the spokesman. All right. Like he would have been the ancient JFK, so to speak. Everybody loves him. And Pompey was a military general. Now, one good thing to catch this on: watch the series Spartacus and watch the last season. It shows you the first triumvirate. All right. All right, because hey, when you go into with Spartacus, he was a Jake, man. All right, when you go into that history, all right. But it was actually, let's see, Spartacus. Okay, I'm gonna see if they actually show it. Okay, Spartacus, Crassus, Pompey. Oh. All right, so when you watch the series, you see this guy. This is who was depicted. Who's supposed to be depicting Marcus Crassus. Now here's the picture I wanted. Right, right as you see on the left hand of your screen, the man to his left is supposed to be Julius Caesar. All right, when you go into this, man. Okay, I'm just trying to give Jake, some visuals. All right, because it's one picture at the end. They show all three of them standing next to each other. They show you Julius Caesar. All right, they show you Marcus Crassus, and they show you what's the other one? Gaius Pompeius. All right. Um, let's see this. Pompeius. Okay. Let's see if they show him. Yep. And here's Pompeius. They show him. Okay. Now, when you watch because it's a couple of seasons. So sometimes they show Pompey when he was young, and sometimes when he's older. All right. And the picture you see of this was him. Okay. And at the end, they show all three. See, they gave the when you watch Spartacus, they gave the military glory, the battle to Pompey. But in the series, Crassus really won that fight. All right, but let me get back to the scriptures. I just wanted to show you guys the triumvirate. All right, and like I said, you got to dig into that history. Okay, those were the three heads. Okay, the start. Okay, and I saw, behold, she spread her wings over the earth. The winds of the air blew over her, and they were gathered together. It's like I can. This is really just gonna go up real quick, little breakdown. Um, because I'm currently out running about, but Spirit did hop on me to go into this. All right. So, what did the Roman Empire do? Well, she's represented as the eagle, right? Hey, that Roman Empire controlled the known world at that time. Okay. And it says, and beheld, out of her feathers, all right, grew contrary feathers, and they became feathers and small, right? But when her head rested, the head in the midst was greater than the other, yet rested it with the residue. All right. So what happened when the Lord goes into explaining somebody is going to sleep or rest? All right, just like how He explained to Daniel in the 12th chapter, it was means they were going to go to the spiritual world. They were going to pass away, right? Okay. And it says what? Um, yeah, it rested in the residue. All right. Moreover, behold, and lo, the eagle flew. Salakia, the eagle flew with her feathers and rained upon the earth over them that dwelt in. All right, going into that fourth beast too, because what did the angels tell Esdras? This is the same beast I showed your brother Daniel, but it wasn't fully expounded upon. All right, And it says, behold, Salakia. Verse 6. And I saw that all things under heaven were subject to her, and no man spake against her, no, not one creature upon the earth, because she ruled the known world, right? The diverse beast from everybody else, okay? It says, now behold, lo, the eagle rose upon her talons and spoke with her feathers, right? And what does her talons represent? Her military might, all right? The talons of the eagle. Hey, and what did the legions of the Roman Empire usually carry around? All right, that eagle, that totem pole, so to speak. Okay. Matter of fact, there was a good movie called The Eagle. All right, and they show you that when they was fighting against the barbarians. All right, and the eagle rose up upon her talons and spake to her feathers, saying, "Watch not at once, sleep not everyone in his own place, but watch by course." Which means these Roman emperors, all right, they weren't going to rule at the same time, all right, one by one, just like you have your presidents today, all right. They don't rule at the same time, all right. And Trump and Obama didn't sit in office at the same time. No, that's not how it works. All right, and that's what the Lord told them. Okay, and sleep everyone in his own place and watch by course, which means they were going to be set up, died, and the other one come up in his stead, so on and so forth. All right, and like I said, once you know, if you know chapter 11, you should know chapter 12. Okay, it says, but let the heads be preserved for the last. All right, so what does that mean? All right, matter of fact, hey,